You are so wise for clicking on this video because you listen to your body knowing that it needs more mushrooms in it. Mushrooms are rich, low-calorie source of fiber, protein, and antioxidants, and they are cancer-fighting. I'm going to show you, even if you don't like mushrooms, if you don't like the texture, how to eat more of them today. But first, if you're new, hit that subscribe button below if you want to learn weekly how to have a happier, healthier life. First, let's begin with the types of mushrooms you can consume if you don't like the taste or texture. You can get your daily mushroom intake by consuming certain wellness shots. The kind that I take are made by Suja and can be found almost anywhere, at least in the US, at local grocery stores. They are almost always found in the fresh produce and juice section. The shot I'm taking is made with reishi extract. Reishi mushroom has been used to help enhance the immune system, reduce stress, improve sleep, and lessen fatigue. People often take reishi mushroom for health conditions such as high blood pressure and high cholesterol. Consuming mushrooms in shot form is awesome, and you don't even notice you're eating mushrooms. The second way that you can get your daily mushroom intake is by Herbal Tea. Now, before you freak out, just hear me out. This tea here is made with bits of chaga mushroom. Chaga is believed to have potent antioxidant and anti-inflammatory properties, making it a potential alternative remedy for things like arthritis and high blood pressure. It may also help lower blood sugar and even slow the progression of cancer cells. You can't even taste the mushroom. You don't even know you're eating them. It's because you're drinking them. The third way that you can consume mushrooms without having to taste them is through protein powder. Yes, you heard me, protein powder. You can go on Amazon and search for an abundance of different protein powders with mushrooms included. Add it into your regular smoothie or any type of plant milk to get its benefits. The fourth way to get your daily mushroom intake is by coffee or latte. Mushroom coffee can be prepared using the same methods as regular coffee to make delicious mochas, lattes, or black coffee drinks. Medicinal mushrooms are dehydrated, ground into fine powder, and mixed with coffee beans to produce mushroom coffee. The brand I like and have used in the past is made by Four Sigmatic. They come in these little convenient individual packets, easy for making single lattes. I usually throw mine into a blender with some warm plant milk and occasionally some other warming and nutrient-dense spices such as turmeric or maca. Check out my videos on how to make your own superfood lattes at home when you're done with this video. Again, you have no idea you're even consuming mushrooms whatsoever because you're drinking them. And now for those of you who don't mind eating mushrooms, the fifth way to get your mushrooms in is by adding them into your casserole dishes, reminding you all that there is no harm in keeping some canned mushrooms on hand so that way you can have some to add into your baked meals. Here I am making a whole food, plant-based, cheesy broccoli and rice casserole dish. The recipe didn't call for mushrooms, so I made sure to add some in. Did you know that mushrooms are an excellent source of selenium? Selenium alone acts as a powerful antioxidant, may reduce your risk of certain cancers, protect the heart against heart disease, and helps mental decline, amongst other things. And of course, my sixth and final way is by adding them to your pizza. This is a delicious way to eat your serving of this powerhouse of a food. I was very mindful when making this pizza with my toddler that she didn't attempt to eat any of the mushrooms raw. Believe it or not, studies have shown that it is not safe to eat certain mushrooms in a raw form. As per the Alliance for Natural Health, it's a good idea to always cook mushrooms because they contain trace amounts of a compound called agarotine. Studies have indicated that agarotine may have carcinogenic effects. Some research studies have, however, found that there are no side effects. This is disputed, but cooking mushrooms does ensure that you'll be reducing or eliminating any potential effects that may occur otherwise. It's plain to see we should be consuming mushrooms every day in one way or another for optimum health benefits. I encourage you to do your own research on the specific types of mushrooms that could be best for you in your body based on what you're wanting to achieve for yourself, your health, and your overall wellness. Which tip did you find most helpful? Which one of these ways do you plan to try? Leave a comment below. I'm so excited to hear from you and will always respond. For more plant-based tips and inspiration, just like you received today, hit the subscribe button below so that way you don't miss out on any of the good things I've got coming for you. If you've learned something new, give this video a thumbs up for me. Sharing this information about the power of plants has become my passion. I love to share it with you and put in lots of time and hard work to make sure that I can. If you're interested in supporting my channel, go over and buy This Busy Mama coffee on buymeacoffee.com/thebusyveganmom. We'll see you guys next week.